Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 9i and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can unroll the settings, or you can do it just by tapping on this two dots icon in the right upper corner. So you can simply tap on it, and here you've got this panel, and you can unroll it just by swiping. It's up to you which option is more comfortable for you. As you can see, on the second position we've got the timer option. We've got 3 different options to choose from. Right now the timer is off because this clock icon is highlighted, but you can set 3 or 10 seconds delay. So I will pick 10 seconds delay. All you have to do is to simply tap on it. As you can see right now it is highlighted. What's more, you've got the information right inside the shutter button, so we can hide this panel and simply tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. The same situation with 3 seconds delay. Just by tapping on it you can set it, and as I said, the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 3. We can turn it off just by tapping on this very first icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Realme 9i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.